Hey and welcome to my video on how to create a WordPress website that represents your brand, and having a website boosts your credibility instantly if you show anyone that you have your own custom website. And in a moment I am even going to show you how you can remove backgrounds from your images and pictures easily with one click, because in this video we will assume that you are the brand and you need a website. So we have a WordPress over here, and I have prepared a page a little bit beforehand, but all you will need to do is to go to add new page, which will be your new home page, and you will edit it with a plugin named Elementor. And once you're inside, all you need to do is to configure your home page that visitors will see. And it's just as easy as typing some text, adding a button, and dragging in, for example, an image of you. And you upload a file which is nice and funky. We can position this a bit, for example, like this. And we can even go to edit the section to make it a little bit more nice for our viewers, adding, for example, clouds, and click publish. And now I prepared the colors and the background a bit beforehand, but setting a website up like this is extremely simple. And do you believe that you can drag and drop pictures and text into a page builder like this? Just typing out your name and doing some links? I believe you can. Now, if you want to create a website, you will need a domain and hosting. There is no going around this. And I recommend Hostinger for all of my clients and my personal websites. And you can even get started for as low as 99 cents per month, so they are awesome. Now to the little trick that I promised in the beginning. If you have a picture like this and perhaps you want to do something like this, for example, instead, it's easily done by going to a page that's named remove.bg, remove background. You upload your image and take the image that you want from yourself, and it will just upload and remove the background like in seconds. Like, look at that. You just download it, upload it to your website, and you can have something like this to play around with. Now, do you have any questions regarding this little trick or regarding making a website? Leave a comment below. Otherwise, I have a free course, a 10-part course that you can take that will send you some short videos so you can get started making a homepage and your own website in minutes and not in hours. So make sure to go in the description and check it out. It's totally free.